How to delete chess.com account. First is to launch the application. Once you've opened the application, tap the three horizontal lines or the three bars located on the lower right corner. And then tap on Settings, and then tap on Account. So in this page, you will see this. Your account is subject to the site and terms and condition and privacy policy. If you'd like to close your account, tap here. So just tap here. So to delete your account, just tap Close My Account. But if you want to delete your account and as well as your data, tap this toggle button beside Remove My Data. And then tap OK. After that, you can tap the Close My Account button. So to confirm your identity, input in your password. Once you're done, tap Close Account and then tap OK. Now you have successfully deleted your Chess account. And so that is how you delete chess.com account. Thank you and have a great day.